Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I did this pattern for somebody, and in the video I stated, and I did find out later she is going to not engrave this, she's going to print it. But I don't even know as a printer would that print and that look right. I don't think so. So I did it. In this, you could change the colors, but I've got solid colors now. I just realized I'm missing a few parts in there, but that can be fixed. And we'll look at that in just a second when we do this one. So I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace, like we did before, Clip Art, reduce the bitmap. Sure, why not? We're going to have to add some detail to it. As you can see, it went to 88. We're going to go to 100. Let it finish the process, put OK. Now we're going to move it, but from this point further, we do not want to move it with anything but the nudge factor. And if you bring out the yellow box, fill it with yellow, go up to Object in order and put it at the back of the page, you can see all the different colors of grays. Not so much in the red, but there are some. Like right down here, we had some darker reds. Well, this is easily fixed, so let's see how big remember, we don't want to move it, we want to nudge it. We're still under 5 inches, so we're going to make our nudge factor 5. And we're going to go here and we're going to go to Object and Ungroup. And then we're going to let's make our red box bigger. I'm going to nudge all the reds and all the blues out of the way because there's less of them, I think, than there is the gray. And you'll see in just a second what I'm doing. And I'm going to get all the bigger ones first, and then I'm going to have to zoom in and get the littler parts. But we're just getting the reds. I'm still going to have to zoom in. And see, you can see one advantage of doing this particular one is that all the reds are kind of in a line. So I'm going to lock my yellow screen, go to lock, and lock it so I can't grab it. And now I'm going to come through here and just get my reds and move them over. There's a few more left. This is really pretty easy. I've got some down here, bigger reds, and see the trash, I call it trash that we've left behind. We're going to kind of need that trash to fill in when we do something. So there's some more red, and you see why I locked the screen, because there's really no way to do that and not grab the yellow. I've locked the yellow so it cannot hurt us. And I'm doing the reds and the blue at the same time because I can go back and change the reds and the blue because they are corners. And I think we got it. Or they're in kind of some sort of order. So I think I've got all the reds. If I was doing this for real, I would zoom in and check, like here's a piece of something that we could move over. There's a piece of something. And I think we got it. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in, and I'm going to get all these reds because the blue, and I'm going to nudge them over again. Now I'm going to separate the reds from all these are reds. So these are all reds now, so I can take this and go right here to Object and Combine. And you can see that I can change that to any color red I want now. See how good that looks? So now we can do this without moving it. Go to Combine and change it to this blue. This is maybe not what you want, but then we're going to take all these and we're going to combine them. And we're going to turn them to white. Now, if I didn't have the white background, you couldn't see that. And because they're combined, I only have to click one part of it. And there's a better rendition of I think, the print. Hopefully the person that asked me, and even the person that requested the first video. I see some reds in here that are missing that I just happen to miss. So there's almost anything you can do with that. I don't know anything about printing, but you could specify red and fill in those little bitty spots. Maybe that's not one I want to do, but it would work. And then that one's on the corner, you'd have to do an outline. So I'm going to make another video on now to have a outline around this that'll be black so you can see it more like the original. It'll be the same, but we're going to add a little black to it. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.